Best wishes to all of us. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jalita Lumbu from Studi Program D4 Business Management, Class 2 MB2, and roll number 31. And my topic title is Implementation of the Business Model Canvas in Business Management Design Jascope Application, written by Wanda Patricia and Muhammad Adib Sultan. And for the first discussion, namely the introduction of the topic, entrepreneurship is currently an interactive business opportunity for various groups. Many entrepreneurs have emerged with various creative ideas and the latest innovations. They continue to innovate products, update managerial systems, and strive to maintain their position in the market and try to keep up with current digital developments. These efforts continue to be made so that they are able to compete in the global market, both existing business and newly built business. And one of the business model innovations that is currently developing is known as the Canvas business model concept has been enormous practical power Margareta 2002 and will be a consideration for manners in making decisions that have been predicate of note. Margaret 2010. The next discussion is about literary review. The first, namely, technology is one of the most important factors driving business productivity in recent years. Garza and Discourses 2018. Next is the second, entrepreneurs is the startup category must be able to manage their business with a concept business model. Match 2014 and be smart in using technology. Faller dan Velmuller 2005-10. So that the business is accepted by society. The third, increasing business success in the current era cannot be separated from the as the of technology which continues to develop. Andulkar and Berger 2018. The fourth, the implementation of the Canvas business model continue to be carried out in an effort to improve the current business model. Aldebe and Avison 2010, Nenonen and Strobeck 2010, Smelon 2012, Kenstrom and Kolkowski 2014, Ojasalo 2018. Then the fifth, entrepreneurs is a creative and impressive ability that is yours and the basic for creating something, the end deviation, creating the new and the fifth. Suryana and Bayu 2011, the 5x4 5. And the last on is 60. The Canvas business model concept has a most practical power and will be a consensus for manager is making decisions that have been predicted or not. Margareta 2010. Next discussion about methodology. In this research, the method used is a qualitative method with a descriptive type. Data collection uses primary source and secondary source. The technique for the determining informants uses the purposive sampling method, namely the technique for determining informants based on the research subjective consideration. Sugiono, 2012. Next, we will discuss about result and discussion. First, competitor analysis. Competitor analysis in building a new business is very important. The is useful for see how the business is positioned. Second, application of the Canvas business model. The business model plays a role in organizing, coordinating, visualizing, understand, communicate, and integrate business login world. As for Canvas business model, mapping in 8 elements as follows: customer segment, value proposition, channels, customer relationships, review streams, key resource, key activities, key partnership, and cost structure share. Conclusion: the Canvas business model is not only entitled for new business. However, in business that are already running, the Canvas business model can also be implemented. Mapping the 9 elements on the Canvas business model is very helpful in designing a new business. Through the Canvas business model design, the company is already able to see the environment and targets of the Just Cause company in detail. The Canvas business model design is a consideration in company design making and becomes an alternative for companies when there are problems and obstacles. That's all my presentation video, and I realize there are still many shortcomings in presentation. Therefore, I apologize and thank you.